Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make gradient background in Canva, create stunning gradient backgrounds, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just head onto your Canva account and make sure that you're logged in onto your right account. So as you can see, I'm currently logged in already onto my account, and then we're gonna go ahead and choose first an option in here. So for example, we're gonna choose presentation in here. So we'll create a new one in here. And by this one, we'll use the default one wherein it doesn't have a template so that we could go ahead and add in our own gradient background. So as you can see, this one is just a white background. To add in the gradient background, what we need to do is to head here under elements. So you'll just have to click onto that, and here on elements, just search for gradient. Click on enter and you should be able to see the different options for gradient backgrounds in here. So we could offer graphics, we also have photos in here, so feel free to choose on which one you prefer. So for example, I like this gradient in here, the blue one. So to add this, we'll have to click onto that, and then right after, right click onto the photo here, and then we're gonna go ahead and set this image as a background. So if you click onto this one as well, you could go ahead and flip this like horizontally or vertically if you want to go ahead and change the orientation of that gradient. So there are a lot of options to choose from in here. Just feel free to choose on which gradient you want to use. And that is how to make gradient background in Canva. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.